Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Shopify domain error. Now, this is a very quick video and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix each error. I'm going to be showing you the solution or how to fix that. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, first to fix Shopify error, Shopify domain error, I'm sorry. Now I want to go to Shopify. Okay, that's the first step. You want to log into your own Shopify store where you have this problem, and then you want to click here where it says settings and you want to click on domains. All right, so now it seems like this is another Shopify store. Yeah, anyway, the same thing. Okay, so what you guys need, as you can see, I'm still using here on this Shopify store the default domain name, but I'm gonna be showing you exactly, guys, what to do. Okay, so here you will find all your domain names. Okay, now next to your domain name, if you see something like needs attention or an error or something is wrong with your domain, you want to click on that. Okay, click on the domain and it will give you here in the top the reason for the error and the solution. Okay, now most of the time all the errors will clear on their own within 48 hours, so you don't even have to worry about this. Like 60% of the time it's going to clear on your own, and you can check your own website right now. If it doesn't work, you want to go back and check if it works within 48 hours. Like I said, most of the errors, they just appear but they don't do anything. There is nothing wrong with your own Shopify store and still you can see the error. Probably you just linked your own Shopify domain, like you just purchased the domain from third party or through Shopify, and it says something like let me show you a message I saw when I started when I first wanted to link my domain to Shopify. It says something like SSL pending. Okay, SSL pending, it doesn't mean anything. Okay, you just need to wait 48 hours and it will disappear from your Shopify store. Okay, you just need to wait. That's all you need to do, guys. Now, if you receive an error, something like this, as you can see, error fetching domain A record. As you can see, the solution is to open your domains provider DNS settings for gear out. As you can see, for the shop, this is the shop name. You just need to open the provider's DNS settings and check that the record is set to the IP address, which is this IP address. As you can see, it's pointing to Shopify. As you can see, it says also here, note that the record updates take up to 48 hours. Okay, now also if you receive this error, as you can see here, it says error fetching domain CAA record. As you can see, this is the solution, which is to open your domains provider DNS settings and check that the record is set correctly. Okay, check the IP address. As you can see, check is everything the same. Okay, if you purchased it from the third party, go to the website and check if everything is set correctly. So here, if it says something like error fetching domain name server records, open your domain provider's DNS settings and check that the record is set correctly. Note that the record takes again 48 hours. Now, most of the time, all the errors you receive on your Shopify store, they will disappear. They will clear on their own within 48 hours. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Let me know what error you have on your Shopify store and I will give you guys a solution within a few minutes. Okay, I'm always active here, so just let me know in the comments exactly what error you have and I will give you guys a solution within a few minutes. So if this one helped you, drop a like and see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.